Hello guys, I'm using Visual Studio. Here I'm trying to connect a SQL server. Here when I'm trying to connect SQL server, then here in the drop down I'm not able to see any server name. So I tried lot of things, but it was not getting resolved. Just try to one thing. Just try to try this. Uh, Here find the database, find the server with which you want to connect. Suppose I am trying to connect with this server, desktop vcq 1k52 oblique test. Now I want to connect with this server. Here, so just type here dot oblique test. Now you will be able to see the name of database, this one, and this is the database which I created in the test server. So here I created Pokemon DB test Ravi test means these are the database which I created already created in SQL server. So I want to connect with this database. Now click on OK. Now we can see it is connected with the given server name. That's the solution for this issue, because I was trying to connect this with multiple times with different issues. Sometime people say that open the services and enable the SQL server. Here some of them told that I need to start this SQL server browser. So for some people it was working, but for my system, for me it was not working. So I tried to solve this. I put the I put dot the database with which I am trying to connect. So here I tried to connect with test server. So I click on this, and now the database name is showing in this list, and selected the database and selected the database and test the connection, and it is test connection succeed. It means now it is working fine, there is no issue. Okay, I hope it resolves your doubt or your error. Thank you.